Welcome to Cei Newydd, a hidden gem on the stunning Ceredigion Coast of West Wales, and one of the prettiest places you'll ever see.
There are colourful houses, little shops, and a sparkling harbour that have been at the heart of the community for generations.
You can even spot dolphins in the bay if you're lucky. Pop into Costco Upland Square, your local shop for fresh fruits, snacks, drinks, and everyday essentials. Open daily from 7 a.m. Convenience and value right on your doorstep.
Visit Garen's Barbers, where tradition meets style. Our skilled barbers provide top-notch grooming in a welcoming, friendly atmosphere. Whether it's a sharp trim, a classic shave, or a new look, Garen's has you covered. Walk in today and experience the best barbering.
How about visiting the following watering holes? The Jitterbug, Seahorse Inn, Black Lion, and the Penweed. Great food, fun place to hang out, and friendly people. Perfect spots to make fond memories.
Welcome to the football club, where the pool table's always busy, the drinks are cold, and the seagulls are ready to steal your snack. For an unforgettable laugh, see you there.
Visit Shepherd's House at Newquay Bay Trading, your trusted shop offering quality tools, hardware and home essentials, friendly service, expert advice, and everything you need for your project.
Feel the adrenaline doing activities with Ceredigion Bay water sports. How about kayaking, sailing, windsurfing, and more?
The RNLI will be ready to leap into action, saving lives and ensuring your wildest adventures are as safe as they are thrilling.
Have fun and stay safe.
Transform your home with K Carpet's expert carpet fitting with unbeatable quality and care. From cozy lounges to busy hallways, we bring comfort and style underfoot.
Trust our experienced team to deliver a perfect fit from wall to wall. K Carpets does it all.
Scoops of joy await at Creme Pancake. Homemade ice cream, flavours to savour, moments to remember. A must-visit treat on your Ceredigion adventure. Visit the Lime Crab, Mariners, and Captain's Rendezvous. From the sea, cooked just right, golden chips and fish so light, crispy, tasty, piping hot, a seaside treat that hits the spot.
Discover MGW Furniture, your coastal destination for quality, comfort, and style. From cozy sofas to beautiful dining tables, find the perfect fit for your home by the sea.
Discover Newquay's hidden gems. Visit Box of Delights for unique gifts, the Shell Shop for seaside treasures, and the Sub Shack for all your paddleboarding adventures. Explore, shop, and enjoy. Relax and unwind at the park, a perfect spot to sit and take in the stunning sea views. Whatever the season, breathe deep, slow down, and enjoy watching the sunset over Ceredigion Bay. Discover the rich history of Ceredigion at the Heritage Centre. Immerse yourself into local stories and culture. Join us for a journey through time today. It's also free.
Craving something fresh and delicious? Visit Ginger's, the Bluebell, or the Pepper Pot. From mouth-watering meals to refreshing drinks, we've got everything to satisfy your taste buds. Flavor, fun, and good vibes are waiting for you.
Embark on unforgettable boat trips with Seymour, Newquay dolphin spotting trips, and dolphin survey boat trips. Explore stunning coastlines, spot wildlife, and enjoy breathtaking views.
Experience the beauty of the Welsh coast like never before.
Cei Newydd has inspired poets, sailors, and smugglers and dreamers alike, and even the great Dylan Thomas drew inspiration from this very place. Discover the charm of Newquay Ceredigion, where dolphins dance, sunset glow, and every moment invites adventure. Come and explore the hidden gems and relax by the sea. Cei Newydd is waiting for you.